Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 10. Where can civil conflicts be resolved in the district? A. Praga, B. Kora, C. Hop, or D. Niti? So, in order to answer this question, we will refer to the keys given to us for the map. So, looking at the keys here, you have court as one of the keys, represented by CT. So, and as we know, a court is where civil disputes majorly are resolved. So, all we need to do to answer this question is to locate where this key or a court is found on the map and the region, the settlement where the court is located. So from the map, a court is located here. City is written here, which represents court, and that is in the Niti settlement. So a court is located there, hence civil conflicts or civil disputes can be resolved in Niti, and that is option D. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.